This stuff looks like it might work, unfortunately, because if it didn't work, I wouldn't have to go through painting this whole entire statue. But it does look like it's gonna work. I started with the shoulder blade here, and if I hold this up, look how reflective that is. This stuff's pretty amazing. Because it's did such a good job, I'm most likely going to start working on the whole model. Maybe just start painting it all, but it's going to require so much sanding. All these layer lines have to come out, every piece. But I think it's too damn good to not do it. I mean, that's pretty impressive for a paint I airbrushed it on. But the finish is gonna have to be frickin' like glass. I'm gonna have to smooth it out so good, because you can see there's some ripples in it even right here, which I can cover up with weathering, you know, but I think the whole thing would be pretty awesome if I went ahead and just did it. So probably take a year. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but to get all these layer lines out, man, it's gonna be crazy. I'll keep you guys updated.